Hello, hello, hello. It's that time again. It is time to start sewing the dresses for Project Dress a Girl. This is the pattern that I always use. I've been participating. This will be my third year. Love it. This is Simplicity 2241. It goes from sizes K5. I'm sorry. It goes from sizes, let's see, 3 to 14. And it's also a learn to sew pattern. Here is the flip side. And it's called Child's and Girls Dresses in 2 lengths. You have A, B, C, and D sleeves. And at the bottom is a learning basic skills. Here you would learn choose the right size, cut out a pattern, apply trim, apply yoke, apply bias tape, ruffles, and stitched the hem. So I had this pattern cut out from last year. Actually didn't get around to finishing it. It's a size 12 and it's some seersucker material. But what actually got me started with the Project Dress a Girl dresses is I was at Walmart today and I checked out the fabric to see what they had, and I picked up 2 pieces of fabric that I may or may not make dresses out of. So let me show you those. But this is the last year cutout, was already cut out. Seersucker, as I said, and it's a size 12. Let's look at the new fabric. It's cotton, of course, and I thought it would make a bright and sunny, nice, happy dress. And some little girl will be blessed to wear this. It's a bright and something just to brighten up her day. And of course I checked the thickness of the material. I cannot see my hand through it, so I hope it will work. If not, we'll have to start all over again. Last year, I lined all of those dresses, but I don't think now that they need to. But I did so to make sure they will work, because I wanted every one of them to be worn. I wanted to be a blessing to some little girl to make her day. I thought this was nice, and it's anchors like sailing. And again, I put my hand under the fabric to test it. I do not see my hand through it. I see my hand print, but you cannot see through the fabric. I thought it was a nice, beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm sure some little girl would love to have a little sailor dress made out of this fabric. So that's all I wanted to share with you. That time is rolling around real quickly. So it's time to get in gear. And even if I don't get to these 2, I'll have them for the next year. I thought they were such beautiful, beautiful colors. It would add some joy to a little girl's world. And I want to thank you for joining me, as usual. And please come again, like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you'll know when there's another upload for you. I appreciate you watching. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye.